want to take a quick video here before it starts raining too heavy. It's my Redneck air conditioner, or Porta Cool, or tailgating air conditioner. It's got a battery down there for the fan. It's a micro sprint radiator. Got a little tube ducted into there. There's the wiring for the fan. It's a little janky, but charger running. Just some shit I cobbled together to run a drain back tube. There's the supply tube. Bunch of just random shit cobbled together. Took a 5-gallon bucket lid. There's also another drain back. It's just open feed. And here, and it looks a little nasty right now, but it's just actually, yeah, just dirt. I take this cooler to the track with me all the time, so. And I keep the rim in here for when I have like a can, which I don't have a can in here right now, but basically it's a refrigerated cup holder, more or less. And if it were a can, it would sit in there like that. And I got the little fish tank pump run into a wall outlet. Here's the one return, and then I got the other return from the filler neck up here. Just had a cap sitting there. It's a pretty high velocity fan, I will give it. Radiator's going to be going on my racing quad here this week, because I was running a little hot in the last race, so definitely need to step up the cooling on it, and I think this will do just that. According to my little thermometer I have here, the ambient temperature outside is about 75 degrees with extreme humidity. I mean, you could tell it's already raining, and yeah, it's muggy. And in front of the fan here, according to my phone's thermometer, it's measuring about 63 degrees. So yeah, it's definitely nice on a hot day to be in front of this thing. It's just a standard like a glue cooler. Just have it sitting on a stand with a battery. Usually have a smaller battery on it, but the fan can only stay on for about 5-10 minutes or so, till it kind of draws it down too much that you don't want to hurt the battery. So sometimes at the track I'll just hook it up to this big marine battery. Tell me what you think in the comments.